Yeah, people, good night. You don't know, welcome, good day, good evening, good afternoon. You know me, I say, yeah, man, blessed are, good morning, whenever you watch this, big up yourself, you know what I mean? Now, I've been watching the political debate between the Jamaica Labour Party and the PNP National Party, Watching the debate right now. It's a little break, But so far, the debate has been going promising. I like it, Because even though I'm not living in Jamaica, I was born in Jamaica, you know what I mean? But even though I'm not living in Jamaica and I'm living in America, I still have to pay close attention to Jamaica and Jamaican politics and my people and the land, you know what I mean? Because that's my heritage, that's my culture, Take a person from Jamaica, you can't take Jamaica out of the person, Well, my observation with this man right here, Mr. Raymond Pryce, he reminds me of Barack Obama. He reminds me of Malcolm X. He's a very eloquent person. You know what I mean? Very intelligent. Has charisma in the way he speak. You know what I mean? I'm telling you, this man is the future Prime Minister of Jamaica. Maybe not right now in 2020, but I tell you, I put money on this guy, man. This guy reminds me of Barack Obama. The way he moves, the way he speak. Like his charisma, you know what I mean? He answers the questions in the debate how you would like to see a member of parliament speak. You know what I mean? It's nothing against patois, nothing like that. But it's just like when you see a black man from Jamaica speak like how this man come across, it reminds you of Marcus Garvey and those great people before who went ahead, you know what I mean? And who could have spoken to a lot of people and command people and led people in the America. And this man is in Jamaica, and I'm telling you, if he continues on the same path that he's going, this man is going to be the future Prime Minister of Jamaica. Remember I tell you from now, because sometimes I put out some little blogs, I don't see a lot of views on it. It's not about views. It's just about my point of view or my 2 cents, as I say, or my spiritual inclination, you know what I mean? Vibes, Yeah, man. Right now, Andrew are going good, Andrew Holness a JLP golden boy. You know what I mean? Andrew are going real good right now. He need another 4 year. Deserve another 4 year if you see what I do. If him better up Jamaica or some stay. You know, bias thing. Andrew I go on good. Him not perfect. No flicker thing I go on. Him not like Mr. Andrew. For real, bro, God. But you'll give another 4 year if you clean up a couple little things, Yeah, man. The school thing with the dreadlocks thing, we need to clear up that. We need some more police station too. Yeah. We need better housing, affordable housing. Yeah, we need some drainage for the road them and the new road them we have build proper drainage. Cause we see little rain will come flood out the whole of Jamaica. You get me a deal with? Yeah, we need a lot of little things. But Andrew deserve another 4 year. Yeah, give him another 4 year cause him do a lot. Him a do a lot. But this youth right here, even though I'm scared of the crux them, this man is gonna be the future leader for the PNP National Party. Andrew Holness, a Labourite golden boy, and this man Raymond Pryce right here. I tell people living in America, Jamaicans living in America, England, Canada, wherever in the diaspora we might live, you know what I mean? This man is the golden boy for the People's National Party. I'm proud to see that Jamaican politics is evolving and you have some young perspective, some young politicians. I'm say them young, and I like them in their 20s, but they're not in their 60s and in politics for a long. But they've been in there grooming themselves to the top. And this man is the PNP golden boy. He's going to be the Prime Minister one day. I can see it. Andrew is doing a good job, and anytime this man gets the seat to run, like when Peter Phillips and the whole PNP party really look, you know what I mean, look into themselves and see the prospect of this man being the leader, a young face, a man with intelligence, educated, charisma, well spoken, you know what I mean, well mannered, even respected by the Jamaicans living abroad. They will see that they have a golden boy in the PNP. You know what I mean, Mr. Raymond Pryce, Like and subscribe. Yes, sir.